The New Holland Honeyeater, Philodendron novahollandia, is a small native Australian bird, about 18 centimeters long. Mostly black and white, with a large yellow wing patch and yellow sides on the tail. It has a small white ear patch, a thin white whisker at the base of the bill, and a white ring around the eye. The New Holland Honeyeater is common in forests, woodlands and gardens throughout eastern and southern Australia, from about Brisbane, Queensland, all the way around to just north of Perth, Western Australia. This honeyeater is a very active bird and rarely sits still. It jumps and flicks around, hangs upside down. Some describe it as the entertainer of birds. As these birds flick around in the air, you can sometimes hear a loud crack sound from their wings. These voracious birds obtain most of their carbohydrates from the nectar of flowers. Consequently, they are key pollinators of many flowering plant species, many of which are endemic to Australia. However, New Holland honeyeaters are not strictly nectarivorous. Nectar does not contain protein, so New Holland honeyeaters must supplement their diet with invertebrates, such as spiders and insects that are rich in protein. Their breeding season is mainly in summer and winter, and they can produce 2 to 3 broods in a year. The incubation time is about 18 days, and they remain in the nest for about 16 days before venturing out into the wide world. It is quite entertaining to watch the parents take their young around, showing them where and what to eat. It's like a school group. One stands on watch and the other takes the class. If you see New Holland honeyeaters, spend some time and observe the antics of these beautiful, entertaining Australian birds.